guys, today is daily updates number 3. My cute little guinea pig Chochip. Now, as you know, Chochip is a very timid guinea pig. You can just see him sitting in the corner of darkness there. But that's what he likes, so let him be. Anyways, will Chochip come out? What do you think? Ooh, you're starting to find out. Ooh, okay. There's like a huge fly surrounding me. Okay, well, actually, what do you want to do, huh? You want to ask? What do you think? Huh? Okay. Anyways, guys, put down in the comments below what what you think I should do, because like I can do lots of things with this little cute guinea pig. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Nice. What are you doing? Huh? You think my iPhone is a grass? What? Oh, okay. Well, okay. Make sure to like and subscribe this video and check out my channel because I will be uploading daily videos of Chochip and his daily life. Okay, bye guys.